We're not quite there on the engineering side yet, but I would like to show everybody. Here's a quick inside view of what it would look like here. So we have both of the devices. I just wanted to pause here on the gateway part. This means you can collect live temperature data for up to 60 hours after a power outage. Just wanted to point this out too. This data in the graph down here is real. It's real from the fridge in my kitchen. Right now the heartbeat is set to an hour, but it could be set to as little as 15 minutes. This means you get live reports of the temperature of the fridge or freezer every hour.